Koh Tral, Phu Quoc, two names, one island. This island, known by different names depending on who you ask, holds a unique place in the hearts of many. This emerald gem, adrift in the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Thailand, is a place of breathtaking beauty and complex history. Its shores have witnessed centuries of change from ancient empires to modern-day tourism. Known for its pristine beaches, lush forests, and tranquil atmosphere, it's a slice of paradise that has long captivated travelers and storytellers alike. The island's natural beauty is matched only by the warmth of its people. For years I've heard whispers of this island, tales of its legendary fish sauce and the ghosts of pirates past. These stories have painted a picture of a place rich in culture and history. Now, I'm finally here, ready to experience its magic firsthand. The anticipation builds as I step onto its shores, eager to uncover its secrets. What I find is an island caught between two worlds, its Khmer soul intertwined with its Vietnamese present. This blend of cultures creates a unique tapestry that is both fascinating and complex. Phu Quoc, as it is officially known in Vietnamese, is part of Kinh Giang province, closer to Cambodia than mainland Vietnam. Its strategic location has made it a point of interest for many over the centuries, but the island's heart beats with a rhythm that echoes its ancient Khmer roots, a rhythm that speaks of a time when empires stretched across Southeast Asia. These roots are still visible today in its traditions and architecture. Today, Koh Tral, as many Cambodians still call it, is a place of transformation. The island is evolving, balancing its rich heritage with the demands of modern development. It's a rising star in the region, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. Tourists flock to its beaches, eager to experience its natural beauty and vibrant culture. But beneath the surface of this modern boom lies a story of resilience, a testament to the enduring spirit of a place and its people. The island's true essence is found in the daily lives of its residents, who continue to honor their past while embracing the future. The history of Koh Tral is a tapestry woven with threads of many cultures, each adding its own unique color and texture to the island's rich heritage. For centuries, the island was a crossroads for traders and explorers, a bustling hub where goods, ideas, and traditions were exchanged. It became a melting pot of Khmer, Malay, Chinese, and Vietnamese influences, each leaving an indelible mark on the island's culture and way of life. Its strategic location along vital maritime trade routes made it a prize coveted by empires, leading to numerous battles and shifts in control. The Khmer Empire, whose magnificent temples at Angkor Wat stand as a testament to its power and architectural prowess, once held sway over Koh Tral. The island's fertile land and abundant fishing grounds made it a valuable asset, attracting settlers and invaders alike. Over time, control of the island shifted, eventually falling under Vietnamese administration in the 18th century, marking a new chapter in its storied history. Despite these political changes, the island retained its strong cultural ties to Cambodia, with traditions and customs that have endured through the ages. Even today, the Khmer language is still spoken in some parts of Koh Tral, a testament to the enduring connection between the island and its past, and the resilience of its people. The island's pagodas and temples reflect this blended heritage, with architectural styles that speak of both Khmer and Vietnamese influences, creating a unique cultural landscape. Phu Quoc's allure lies not only in its rich history, but also in its breathtaking natural beauty, which captivates every visitor. The island is home to some of the most pristine beaches in Southeast Asia, with powdery white sand, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees that create a picture-perfect setting. Long Beach, the island's most famous stretch of sand, lives up to its name, stretching for miles along the coast, offering endless opportunities for relaxation and exploration. Here, visitors can soak up the sun, swim in the warm waters, or simply relax under the shade of a palm tree, enjoying the serene atmosphere. For those seeking a more secluded escape, there are countless hidden coves and bays to discover, each offering a unique and tranquil experience. Sao Beach, with its soft, white sand and calm, shallow waters, feels like a scene from a postcard, inviting visitors to unwind and take in the beauty. But Phu Quoc's beauty extends beyond its beaches, offering a diverse range of natural wonders. The island is also home to lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and towering mountains, providing a stunning backdrop to any adventure. A hike through Phu Quoc National Park, which covers over half of the island, is a journey into a world of vibrant flora and fauna, where nature enthusiasts can immerse themselves in the island's rich biodiversity. Phu Quoc's natural abundance extends beyond its scenery. The island is a breadbasket, its fertile soil yielding an array of tropical fruits, spices and seafood that tantalize the senses. The island is perhaps best known for its fish sauce, a staple ingredient in Vietnamese cuisine. Made from fermented anchovies, Phu Quoc fish sauce is prized for its rich, savory flavor. A visit to a local fish sauce factory is a sensory experience, the air thick with the pungent aroma of fermenting fish. Pepper is another of Phu Quoc's culinary treasures. The island's peppercorns, known for their intense aroma and robust flavor, are highly sought after by chefs around the world. And then there's the seafood. The waters surrounding Phu Quoc teem with life, providing a bounty of fresh fish, crab, squid, and prawns. A meal of grilled seafood, enjoyed by the beach as the sun sets, is a quintessential Phu Quoc experience. Phu Quoc is an island on the move, embracing progress while striving to preserve its natural and cultural heritage. Tourism is booming, with new resorts and hotels springing up along the coastline. The island's airport has been upgraded to handle the influx of visitors, and there are plans to develop a deep-water port to accommodate cruise ships. The government has designated Phu Quoc as a special economic zone, offering tax breaks and other incentives to attract foreign investment. These developments have brought new opportunities to the island and its people, but they have also raised concerns about the potential impact on the environment and local communities. The challenge for Phu Quoc will be to find a balance between economic development and environmental sustainability, ensuring that the island's beauty and unique character are preserved for generations to come. Phu Quoc is at a significant crossroads. The island's natural beauty and rich culture are undeniable draws for visitors seeking an authentic Vietnamese experience. Yet the rapid pace of development threatens to overwhelm the very things that make Phu Quoc special and unique. The influx of tourism brings much-needed revenue and employment opportunities, but it also puts a strain on resources and infrastructure. Managing this growth while preserving the island's fragile ecosystem is paramount. Local communities are grappling with the challenges and opportunities that come with rapid change. Balancing economic advancement with the preservation of traditional livelihoods is an ongoing dialogue. Sustainability is not just a buzzword on Phu Quoc, it's a necessity for survival. The island's future depends on finding ways to develop responsibly, minimizing the impact on the environment, and respecting the cultural heritage that makes Phu Quoc unique. As I stand on the shores of Phu Quoc, watching the sun dip below the horizon, I'm struck by the island's enduring spirit. Despite the challenges it faces, Phu Quoc remains a place of extraordinary beauty, warmth, and resilience. The island's Khmer heritage is woven into the fabric of its being, a testament to a rich history that transcends borders. In the faces of the people I see reflections of the past, a blend of Khmer and Vietnamese traditions passed down through generations. Phu Quoc is a reminder that progress and preservation are not mutually exclusive. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, where ancient traditions are honored alongside modern aspirations. And as the island navigates the uncharted waters of the future, one thing is certain: the spirit of Koh Tral, the jewel of the Gulf, will continue to shine brightly.